everyone! I'm making this video to introduce you to the English edition of my book on Handplanes. A few years ago, the Italian edition, Pialle che Passione, was released. The book has been successful in Italy, and from the outset, I thought of producing an English version to reach a wider audience of enthusiasts. The title clearly explains the motivations that led me to write it, and the plain What a Passion is available on Amazon both in paperback and hardcover. I'll leave you with the description of the contents and see you in the next video. Ciao from Italy!
The handplane is perhaps the tool that most vividly embodies, in the collective imagination, the image of a carpenter. In reality, the plane plays a central role in traditional woodworking processes, accompanying the craftsman through every phase of furniture construction. From roughing the boards to smoothing the surfaces ready for the final finish, the handplane plays a prominent role. Handplanes, What a Passion is a book entirely dedicated to handplanes for woodworking. The author, a passionate user of this tool, reviews both contemporary and historical models. He delves into their history and illustrates the diverse possibilities offered by this highly versatile tool. The book covers planing techniques to guide the reader through the process of smoothing wooden surfaces, as well as the creation of rebates, grooves, and mouldings. A significant portion of the book is dedicated to the restoration of vintage models and the construction of key wooden handplanes that can be crafted by hand.